floors face a daily assault: scratches, spills, stains, and the dreaded threat of moisture. What if you could stop worrying and install a floor that handles it all? Introducing Bright Stone Swiss Techslate, the waterproof, durable, and incredibly stylish flooring solution. Choosing a floor is tough. You want something that looks amazing, but you also need it to be tough enough for real life. Traditional options like hardwood can warp, laminate can swell, and nothing seems truly seamless. That's where Techslate changes the game. Manufactured in Switzerland with precision, this isn't your average floor. It's engineered from 100% natural materials to be incredibly durable and, wait for it, completely waterproof. Don't believe me? Let's see. First, the hammer-on flooring test. Nothing. Thanks to its AC5 rating, that's the highest commercial grade. This isn't just water-resistant. It's 100% waterproof. You could install this in a basement, a bathroom, even a sauna. The water will sit on top until you wipe it away with zero swelling or damage. It has a 0% swellness value. That's a scientific test at ACEs. But that's not all. Bright Stone Techslate is the ultimate multi-talented floor. Fire retardant rated A2 FLS1 for superior safety. Sound reducing reduces impact sound by 19 decibel for a quieter environment. Commercial strong withstands caster chairs and heavy furniture without a mark. Heating friendly, perfect for underfloor heating with excellent heat conductivity. Sustainable, 100% recyclable and made from natural materials. It's perfect for anywhere, from your home office, kitchen, and living room, to even the busiest restaurants. An installation is simple with Uniclick system. You can install over 10,000 square feet without transactions. For flood-prone area like basement, bathroom, and laundry room, we recommend a glue-down method. You get this incredible, continuous, modern look that flows throughout your entire space. Visit icorkfloor.com to order your samples and get started on your next project today.